The Vivosun Dehumidifier does a great job of keeping moisture levels low. This mini dehumidifier won't take up a lot of space with its compact design, ensuring moisture in your small spaces will be well managed. It measures 7.1 inches by 5.1 inches by 11.2 inches, has a 1.3-liter water tank, and removes up to 400 milliliters at 25 degrees Fahrenheit, 85% RH of moisture from the air per day. Operating environment: 15 to 45 degrees Celsius, 59-113. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Portable handle, easy to move from room to room. Number 2. Air outlets. Peltier technology means it's well ventilated. Number 3. Removable water tank, small, compact design with a 1.3 liters capacity tank. Number 4. Power adapter. Secure adapters that conform to C, FC, and all safety standards. Number 5. Energy efficient. Vivosun Mini Dehumidifier has a small, compact design with a 400 milliliters capacity per day to efficiently refresh the air in enclosed, small rooms and spaces, so you can efficiently soak up moisture without racking up your energy bill. Number 6. Modern design. Its clean appearance makes it a perfect fit for whatever corner or small spaces, and its built-in handle means you can easily move your dehumidifier to different rooms as you need. Number 7. Easy to use. Vivosun Mini Dehumidifier is ultra simple to use and operate. Just plug it in, turn it on, then let it run its continuous 24-hour cycle until the water tank is full. This dehumidifier operates at low noise levels so you won't notice it's there. Number 8. Auto shut-off function. When approximately 1.3 liters of water has been collected, this dehumidifier shuts off automatically and triggers a red LED indicator light to remind you that water is ready for removal. Number 9. Refresh your air. Our dehumidifier contains an internal filter net that eliminates poor ventilation problems by removing excess moisture, making the dehumidifier convenient for use in closets, drying rooms, basements, bedrooms, showers, and other places, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.